after seeing your local locksmith epically fail at picking this lock, we'll open up our tackle box of felonies here. Let's see if we can't bump it. Get my hammer out of my pocket. Hit the damn key, Austin. I mean, Fozzie.
There's no way to get inside.
Oh, they probably have keys. I'm just trying to be dramatic and record a bunk key entry. Just so that it just so happens that the one I should be asking for keys on is kicking my ass. It's probably a storeroom, which is why it's so fucking difficult to bump or pick. Or it's an entry that's been set to storeroom function, you know what I mean?
Right.
I found that is those can be a bear to pick and bump. Damn near impossible. There we go.
Nice.
Look at that. Your local shitty locksmith picked it open.